Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So sharing notebooks is one of the most useful NotebookLM features because it allows you to collaborate with classmates, coworkers, research partners, and team members. Depending on your account type, you can either share directly with specific people or make a notebook publicly accessible through a link. So first thing in this guide, I will show you step by step how to share a notebook in NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open your notebook, like launch NotebookLM and open the notebook you want to share. For example, research projects, study guides, team documentation, content planning notebooks, business reports. So make sure the notebook is organized before sharing it. Okay, so click the share button like in the upper right corner of the notebook, click share. Okay, as you can see here, this opens notebooks LM sharing and permission settings. Okay, so all notebook sharing options are managed from this menu. So choose how you want to share. Like NotebookLM generally offers two main methods: option like A, share with specific people; option B, share with a link. So the right option depends on your project. Okay, share with individuals, like to share with specific people, enter one or more email addresses here. Okay. Select the recipient, choose their permission level. Okay, send the invitation. So NotebookLM supports sharing directly with individual collaborator. Okay, so this is the ideal for small teams and private collaborations. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.